Hi guys, Sketchy Rides here, maintenance video, and I've just ordered some XT brakes, so they should be popping up on the screen around about here. As you can see the price, around £70, which is an absolute bargain. And the front one is broken, apparently, as I've seen on the order, but the rear one is working perfectly fine. So the brakes have came. This is the rear one, this is the working one. Just going to unbox it now. As you can see, this is the brake, as we can see here. Let's just uncut the wires. Got reach adjust on the lever here, so that changes the position of the lever. As you can see there, it should be moving for you. Got 3-stroke, which is this little screw here, if the camera would focus on it there, and that just changes the bite point of the brake pads there. This is the M80 100, so it's got ceramic pistons, and it came with Ice Tech brake pads. As I can see from first glances, you just get that out of the way, they seem to be in very good condition. Not really any scratches on them. Made a little scratch just where the dimples are on the lever, just there. If we flip it over, nothing on the bottom. Little dent there, but otherwise fine. The mount is iSpec EV on it. If we go up the cable all looks fine. We go to the caliper here. If we just remove the brake pads, put them there, you have a look at the pistons. Very dirty. So that's the brake that's working, and if we put that to one side, put the brake pads up there with the connectors for them and whatnot. This is the front brake. This isn't working. The lever leaks oil from what I've seen on the listing. So seller said it leaks oil from this bit here. That is to, I'm pretty sure, just above the master cylinder. This bit is where it regulates the oil. So there's a little rubber gasket here, so when the oil gets hotter and it expands, it just pushes on that gasket, and there's a little hole just there, so it can let it expand. And I'm just presuming that the gasket in there must have failed or something. Hopefully that's fixable. As you can see, no marks on it, not really anything. Look at the bottom of it, not really any marks across here. Does the reach just should hopefully work, which it does. As you can see, it's moving. R-Spec EV, basically the same brake but the front version for the front. If we move on to a caliper, let's take the pads out. So put them to one side over there. Pistons cracks, pistons aren't cracks, so that's good. And the NOS is dirty as the rear ones. Let's just push that one. Right, that's the unboxing video and reviewing the used Deore XT brakes that I bought off eBay. thank you for watching. Next video will be trying to fix the front one. So that's Sketch Rides signing off. Bye.